Eric. Hello. Say hi. Come on, walk over here to Nana. Show everybody how you can walk. No. John Eric. No. No. You better get over here. You better get over here. Come on. Come on. Come over here and see Nana. What are you doing? No. No. You better get over here. Come on over here. Come on. No. Nana's not supposed to have to holler at you while she's doing a video. John Eric. No. Hello? Hello? What are you doing? What? Is that right? Where you going? Where you going? Got a bat? You got a bat? What are you going to do with it? Gonna eat it? You gonna eat it? Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Now get your foot out of there. Get your foot out of there. Your foot doesn't go in there. Ball. Got a ball? Where'd it go? Is that right? No, don't even think about it. No, John Eric, back it up. No. No, don't you smile at me. I said no. Back up. No. Thank you very much. No. No. Go play with your toys. No, go play with your toys. You can play there. I see you. No. Go see what was that. Go look out the door. Go look out the door. Come on, no, get out of that corner. John Eric, get out of there. You better get out. Get out of there. You monkey. You monkey. You monkey boy. Get up and walk. John Eric, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.